What's up? We're on our way back to Aurora, Illinois to go see what Dell Webb is over there constructing in Aurora, all right? And we're going back over there because we want to make sure you guys get to see the entire tour of all the model homes. And then, right, I want to let you know that they are still building homes in that area right there. There's still lots available, so don't think that you're missing out. Right, they're probably going to be still building homes for probably the next 2 years, so you're definitely not missing out. And if you have the thought of getting one of those new construction homes, now is this time to start the process and customize it to the way that you like. But I want you to make sure that you see them before you get a chance to do that. All right, so let's go. And if this is your first time on this channel, you want to know everything there is to know about living in Chicago, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Chicago. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Marlon here with my team. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you looking to make that move to Chicago, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, don't hesitate. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, so we can help you make a smooth move to Chicago. Let's go to Aurora. All right, so I want to make sure you guys knew this about Dell Webb because it's something that's making them different from all the other 55 and older communities here, that they're gonna have some awesome amenities. Like they're gonna have an indoor and an outdoor pool. They're gonna have, shuffleboard and bocce ball. And then they're also gonna have a fitness and, community center as well that they're currently finishing up right now. So really nice amenities. You won't be bored here at all. And again, you're gonna be living around people that are relatively around the same age as you. So that is going to be awesome. Really quiet community here. It's a great place to live. I highly suggest it if you're someone that meets the requirements. But come on, let's go look at these last models. All right, so I want to also point out the other amenities that they have as we're kind of making our way around here. They also have pickleball, so if you're into that, it's definitely a great sport to do, especially as you're getting up there in age. I've played pickleball before. It's definitely very active and it is fun. So they do have that here. So if you don't want to go far away to kind of get active, you can do that right here in your community at Dell Webb. So that's really nice. They have some tennis courts as well, right? And some walking trails like we just talked about, that's right, by the lake, right? It could be right outside your home, right? You could just wake up, just go for a quick stroll around the pond. That'll be very nice. But they do have that here. And this is honestly, one of the best 55 and over communities that I've been to, all right? So, get your home now. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can secure it for you. Let's go check out the rest. All right, so we're here at the Stardom model, right? So this model is gonna be part of the Echelon series as well, right? So let's go check it out right now, come on. All right, so wasn't that home just stunning as well? I mean, all of these 55 and older homes here that they're building here at Dell Webb are just stunning, if you ask me. I might want to move into one, and I'm not even near 55, okay? But this home was the Stardom model home. You're getting 2 beds, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,200 square feet, and you're getting a basement with this home, okay? So that's really nice. If you saw what we showed you there with our tour here, the basement was huge. You can honestly put another couple rooms down there if you want, make it into a game room, whatever you want, make it into anything, really. It could be anything. But these homes here are very nice. You're starting at $539,000. So that's what's really nice about these homes here, is that they're not costing too much, right? And if you have the means, this can be the spot for you, okay? So again, this is the Stardom model home. Very nice here. We got a couple more that we're about to go check out. So let's go right now. All right, we're here at another model home. Trust me, they got a lot of them here at Dell Webb here, but this one's gonna be called the Prestige model here, part of the distinctive series of the model homes that they're building. So we got 3 different types, right? We have the Scenic, right? That's gonna be our cheapest and our smallest models here. We have the Distinctive, which is gonna be our next level up here, gonna be a little bit bigger. And then we have the Echelon, that's gonna be the biggest one that you can get, all right? But we're here at the Prestige model here. We're about to go check it out. Come on. Beautiful. I mean, just beautiful inside there, right? I know you guys seen that, right? This was the Prestige model, really prestige if you ask me, right? You're getting that nice fireplace there. You're getting all of those bathrooms that you're seeing there, walk-in showers, very custom built for your lifestyle here. So that's really, really nice. And then, you saw the backyard there. You got a little grill out there, a nice backyard space for entertaining. So really, really nice, these model homes and these homes they're building here in Aurora. And you're also close by, a school, or, you're also close by any dining or anything that you need to do recreationally, or go out to get you something to eat. It's very close by right there off of 59 here. But this is the Prestige model here, starting at $476,000. You're getting 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. You're getting a 2-car garage, and you're getting 2,000 square feet of home, okay? And again, with this home here, you're gonna have some stairs as well. So invite the grandkids over, have them run up those stairs, right, while you stay on the first level, all right? So that's gonna be really nice here. But again, this was the prestige model here. If you like this model, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, because as you just seen from the last one that we came from, people are buying these homes, they're customizing these homes, they're making them, built, for their own lifestyle. Customize it the way that you want, because this home could be your home today, all right? So give us a call, but we got one more model home we're about to go check out. So let's go. All right, so as we approach the last model here, I want to let you guys know something that, a lot of people are moving out of the inner city and into, right, the suburbs because of homes that they're building that look like the homes that we're going into right now. So if that's you, if you're looking to get out of the inner city and get into the suburbs, right, into one of these new construction homes, then hey, give us a call, shoot us a text, because these homes are going fast and, they're building more. But again, you want to make sure that you jump on it early enough so you can have yours secured, all right? But we're gonna go look at the last one. Come on. All right, so we're here at the Mystique model here. There's gonna be our last model here that we're gonna take a look at, but this one's gonna be part of the distinctive series as well. So with a name like Mystique, it's gotta be distinctive. So let's go check it out. All right, so that was the last one there. That was the Mystique model here, part of the distinctive series. What would you say? Would you say it was distinctive? I would say it was. That one's gonna be starting at $468,000, right? You're gonna need 2 beds, 2 baths. You're gonna need a 2-car garage, but it's also gonna be tandem, so you can actually make it a 3-car garage, and then you're also gonna get 1,800 square feet, right? So it's not gonna be super big and square footage, just enough space for you and all the grandkids to come on over, right, and have a good time. All right. But these are going to be the model homes here in Pulte Homes. Again, many people were here walking through these homes, securing their lots while we were here just kind of making our video today. So make sure if you're thinking about getting one of these homes, you do not wait, because before you know it, all of these homes will be sold and you would have missed out. And I don't want that to be you, right? So give us a call, shoot us a text, us email today so we can help you secure yours right now so it's ready for when it's time for you to move in, all right? And again, like I was saying before, we're going to go check out all the amenities that this place offers. So if just looking at the homes weren't enough, let me go ahead and take you around, the community here so you can see why people are saying yes to Dell Webb. All right, let's go. All right, so as we're outside here, right outside some of the homes here, something that makes Dell Webb, really nice is that they have this walking trail here that I'm standing right in front of, all around this pond area right here. So you could just come outside your house sometimes and just go ahead and take a stroll in the morning, get some fresh air. And remember, right, these homes that are right off the pond are going to be the most popular ones. Right, they're going to be the ones that are going to go the fastest. All right, so if you want something like that, make sure you let us know right away. But this pond here is incredible. This walking trail is incredible, right? The view right outside your house is incredible, all right? So again, we're going to show you the rest of the amenities, but I just wanted to make sure I pointed that out, right? Because this is something that people really want in their community, all right? So let's go ahead and keep looking, but really nice here.